Alright guys, so today what I have for you guys is we are going to be cleaning the aluminum on the Jeep. So what I have here today, it's a product by Superior Products. It's aluminum brightener. Specifically what it does is that it's for brightening aluminum. It gets rid of the oxide layer, gets rid of dirt, and just makes the aluminum look way better. So a couple things you're going to need. This is acid based right here. I'll let y'all read that. Acid based cleaner. So you're gonna need some gloves. Yeah, that's pretty much it, and a spray bottle, obviously. So I did the driver's side yesterday. Gonna let y'all look at it. See how good that looks. Alright, before all that, it was all oxidized looking, black, did not look good. Here's the passenger side that we're going to be doing today. See the difference? I know the light's not shining here, so obviously it's not going to look, how it's supposed to be, but you see how grimy and dirty and just not really that good looking it looks? Well, we're about to change that. So let me put these gloves on and we'll get to it. Thank you guys. Alright guys, so once you have your gloves and everything else, first step to do is just to wet in the area that you're going to be applying the spray to. So we'll just get all this moist. Make sure it's wet. Make sure, if you have any mud, make sure you wash all that off, because this product only works on bare aluminum and not dirt. Make sure all that's clean. Okay? So once that's clean, you're finally going to spray it on there. Make sure you have a sprayer. Make sure it comes out in a mist instead of an actual stream, if that makes sense. So, let me move the camera over here. Okay. Oh, the sun's in the way. Okay. So, when you spray this stuff, okay, it's gonna look like hydrogen peroxide, if you know what I'm talking about. That's good. You want it to look like that. That means it's working. So, just gonna go around in it. Alright, spray it on there. And just a reminder, guys, that this stuff is an acid. Do not do this indoors. So you can keep spraying it like this. You can already see how it's bubbling. I mean, it's working. Okay. Spray it all around this piece, on this fender. Spray it up in here. You want to make sure you get air everywhere, because when you come and wash this stuff off, you will know the places that you have missed. Keep spraying, make sure you liberally spray everything. Make sure it's foaming up, like I said, it's supposed to look like hydrogen peroxide. Okay, you can let it sit there. Okay, and then you just come with the water hose. Remember guys, remember how it looked before. I'm about to see what it looks like now. Just spray it off. Look at that, guys. Okay. Make sure you get every last bit. Getting the overspray over here that came off. Okay. So you can see it's pretty easy, guys. So remember when I said to spray it as good as you can, because you will notice you can tell right there. You can also tell right here. See all that? See the difference between this and that? It just shows you how good of a cleaning product this is. And just a reminder, guys, that this is an acid. Please wear gloves. I recommend wearing a respirator. Do not do this indoors. This stuff burns. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna apply a second coat on it. I'm not gonna video that because you just seen how to do it. I will show you guys what it's gonna look like when you're done. Alright guys, so I made my second pass. As you can see here, a second pass is probably gonna be needed because you obviously aren't gonna, you know, spray on everything. If the stuff was filled with dye, you know, that would be another thing, but you're gonna miss some places. So a second pass is definitely needed. You can just tell. See how shiny it is? You can kind of like see my reflection off a little bit. That means you know that you did a very good job. So you can just see here how good it cleans it. It's not gonna buff out these scratches and everything that you can see here, but it's gonna refreshen the aluminum, give it a new look. So yeah, you can see here, and then look at this untreated door. The door is a lot more shiny, but that's a different product. Probably like a different type of metal, or I'm sorry, alloy of aluminum, etc., etc. But yeah, you can just see the difference. And look at these steps, obviously. That's what none of the stuff applied to it, guys. So it's pretty much the same for everything else. You wet it first, spray it, you spray it off, put it back on, and spray it off again. You're gonna definitely need 2 passes on this kind of stuff. And that's pretty much it. Just remember, I recommend a respirator. Do not do this stuff inside. Remember, it's an acid. You can breathe it in. It's not good for you. Wear gloves. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna show y'all again when this entire side of the Jeep is finished. So let me do that and I'll get right back to you. Alright guys, so I finished. It's a little bit darker now. This is the side I did yesterday. I actually just washed her as well. Just look how good that turned out. Look at that. And here is the side that we just did. Turned out the exact same. Perfect. Looks pretty good. So, yep, there we go. Look how shiny it is. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So, thank you guys for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. I'm trying to get back into making more videos. I'm a little bit on a time constraint right now. I'm in college. But nonetheless, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Y'all have a good day.